Hey guys, Telebus is back with some latest updates of your very own favorite show Do Dil Ek Jaan. All you fans really love this couple Ayaz Ahmad aka Raghu and Nikita Sharma aka Antara of Nautanki Films show. They have a really sizzling chemistry and Telebus brings to you an exclusive interview of Nikita Sharma aka Antara just for all you fans. Let's hear what she has to say about everything. Check it out.
So, can you please introduce yourself to the viewers?
Hi, I'm Nikita Sharma. I'm playing Antara in Do Dil Ek Jaan. I'm a very normal, decent girl from Delhi, and I started my career from modeling and got a great chance through Nautanki Films to perform a lead in Do Dil Ek Jaan. And I think our show is doing quite well and it is quite famous. Not only in India, I think worldwide. I got so many interviews called from USA, Germany. So I think it's a great hit on TV.
And are you loving to play the character Antara?
Of course, yes, I can connect to Antara because she loves her family, she's responsible, she's introverts as I am, and I'm also responsible. Except this suit and except this Kashmiri thing, I can attach to each and everything which is Antara having as a character.
And your character are with loggerheads, like you and Raghu are at loggerheads. So, what do you like about each other?
On camera or on real life? Okay, on screen, I love that rigid attitude of Raghu. Actually, I can connect myself with that rigid attitude and jo karna hai, what you like to do, you love to do, you always do that. Do your own thing, what you like to do. So I like that thing about Raghu, that what he likes to do, he always do that. And off screen, I like about Ayaz is so many things. He's very supportive as a co-actor. He guides me very well. And main thing about Ayaz as a person, that he's very homely person. He take care of each and every person on set, not only me. I think each and every character. So that is something very good about that guy.
And if given a chance to be a part of a reality show, what would it be and which one and why?
I'm very simple in nature, very casual in nature. I'm not like that very shrewd. I'm not that shrewd person. So if someone to take a subtle person, then I love to go in reality show because I think reality show is a big hit on TV channel. People love to watch reality show like Big Boss and some kind of that show. Yeah, I can love to do that if I get a great opportunity.
What do you have to say about your on-screen chemistry since people are loving your on-screen chemistry?
Yeah, I think before this show, we got a great name, Rantara. We are not famous as Raghu or as Antara. We are famous as Rantara. So I'm loving it. People give us this name. People send me so many. I can show you. Even it's in my mobile. People send me different kind of posters from our real life and on-screen chemistry, and they give us 10 after 10. And in beginning, it's so much tough for both of us to perform this kind of romantic scenes on screen. Then we got a good classes, we get a good feedbacks. Then we start and doing our work much betterly because it's coming good on screen. So it's going very nice and I'm loving it.
What kind of a role would you want to play next if given a choice?
Definitely I'm from Delhi. If I got a one chance, I love to play Jab We Met Ki Kareena Kapoor anytime, or maybe a fashion person from Priyanka Chopra, that movie. I love to do this kind of. Both are challenging. Like on a part, Kareena Kapoor is very chilbully. Off screen, I'm very chilbully. I come on set and in between 200 people, I keep on talking to everybody. I'm like that. But yeah, if it come to outside world, people I don't know, people I hardly get connected, I'm more like attitude, like a Priyanka Chopra in fashion. Yeah, I am something. I'm like that.
And आपको कोई mentor है जिसे आप idolize करते हैं?
I love Kareena Kapoor any day. I read her magazines, I read her interview, and I just simply love her. That Punjabi thing, I'm Nikita Sharma, I'm Punjabi. So I love that Punjabi essence in her. So definitely.
पंजाबी का line बोल दीजिए अपने fans के.
जो तुसी दसो यार, जिद्दा type दी भी line. See, हैगे ही Punjabi. So I love being called Punjabi. Hello friends, thank you for watching my interview. And to know more about me and to know more about our show, Do Dil Ek Jaan, subscribe to Telebus.
If you enjoyed our interview and want to see the second part of this, then hit the like button and leave your comments.
Hello friends, thank you for watching my interview. And to know more about me and to know more about our show, Do Dil Ek Jaan. Subscribe to Telebuzz.